Michael LoPorto's second voter fraud trial resumed tomorrow, but not until jurors get a readback of LoPorto's entire testimony. Marcy Nattel is live outside the Rensselaer County Courthouse with a recap of today's closing arguments and a look at what's ahead. And it sounds like a lot of listening for the jurors, Marcy.
Yes, absolutely, Liz. They actually started deliberating at 12:40 this afternoon, and in that time, they sent two notes back to the judge asking first about the law and the charges and how the law relates to the charges against LoPorto, and secondly, asking for the readback of the entire testimony of Michael LoPorto. Now, that was about 2 hours long yesterday, and because of its length, the jury had to be dismissed for the day, and they'll return tomorrow morning to start hearing that at 9 o'clock. Prior to all of that, the lawyers for both sides had their chance to sum up their case.
I want your outrage. I want your anger.
Defense attorney Cheryl Coleman addresses jurors in what she calls the last dance. The panel of 12 listened for 2 hours as attorneys gave their closing arguments in the case against former city councilman Michael LoPorto. He's charged with 22 counts of possessing a forged instrument for his alleged involvement in stealing votes in the 2009 Working Families Party primary.
There is no proof that there was some sort of scheme to manufacture fake excuses. There's innuendo.
Special prosecutor Trey Smith fired back, saying the case is one of common sense and used references to the Wizard of Oz to show how the alleged scheme went down and LoPorto's alleged involvement in it and knowledge of it.
If he is out there in the projects, going to poor people who aren't going to go to the courts, who aren't going to go to the police to assert their rights so that he can get their votes, so that he can manipulate them, that might tell you what this is all about. That might tell you what's in his head.
As she did in her opening, Coleman made reference to Dr. Seuss again in her closing, asking jurors what he would say, borrowing off a classic.
You cannot believe McNerney and Brown. On their words, you can't send this man down. You should not trust them with an oath. You should not trust them. Trust them both.
And that was, of course, from the classic Green Eggs and Ham, in case you couldn't figure that out. Now, the jury also sent a note attached to the last note asking for soda and a pepperoni pizza. Obviously, they didn't get either of those because they were sent home. Again, they will return tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. to begin hearing the readback of LoPorto's testimony, and from there, deliberations will continue. For now, we are live in Troy. Marcy Nattel, CBS 6 News.